Cool musicians. For music this week, we are asking you to listen to two different videos, and they are both the song America, also known as My Country 'Tis of Thee, and we want to know which one you like and why you like it. This is for a grade, so in order to get that E, then you're going to need to submit your response saying which video is your favorite and why it is. If you just let us know which one was your favorite, but you don't tell us why, then that'll be an S, which is satisfactory, which is still good. But we would love to hear why it's your favorite to get that E. And if you just submit something and you don't really tell us which one is your favorite or why it's your favorite, then that'll be an N, which means needs improvement. And if you submit this assignment early, we can send it back to you and you can fix it. But for the assignment, we would like for you to listen to video 1, which is the Soldiers Chorus singing My Country 'Tis of Thee, and then video 2, which is the Pentatonics singing My Country 'Tis of Thee. And we want you to really listen to them and decide which one you like best and then tell us why. To submit this assignment, you're going to click the Submit Assignment button on the right. And if you want to record yourself let's say if you have just an iPad and you want to record a video and then upload it as a file, you can do that there. Or if you want to record yourself right on Schoology, you can click on the microphone and you can do a voice recording only, or you can do a voice and video recording, which means that your picture would be it would be like a video. We would see your face. So you could do that option. Or you can write your response, whatever you are most comfortable with. So if you choose to write a response, you'll click on the create and you'll start typing your answer, which one you liked and why you liked it. And then you'll click submit and it'll be sent to us. If you have any questions, let us know. Enjoy these listenings. Thank you so much for doing this assignment and happy Veterans Day.